Hello and welcome guys to Indori Motoroids. Today's video is about KTM RC 125. But before starting this video, I request all my viewers to please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Powering the bike is 124.7cc liquid cooled fuel injected 4-valve single cylinder engine with DOSC layout that puts out 14.5 PS of max power at 9250 rpm and 12 nanometer of maximum torque at 8000 rpm. We get a 6-speed gearbox with perfectly matched gear ratio. The design looks like all other RCs with exposed steel taillights frame, the aluminium swing arm, and chunky 43mm upside down forks from WP, and a wider 150 section rear tire from MRF. The clip-on handlebars are low set to offer an aggressive riding position. The instrument panel is same like other RCs and provide all the necessary information. Switchgears are of top quality with backlit switches. We get a 300mm disc at front and a 230mm disc brake at back. We get a single channel ABS as standard, which means ABS is operational only on the front wheel. Well, now let's check out how it feels to ride the bike. As I started riding the bike, I felt that the refinement level of this bike is top class. It is such a refined motor. It feels like it is better tuned than the Duke 125. Bike does not offer sudden acceleration like RC200. Power delivery is more kind of linear. Bike takes its own sweet time to reach speed of 100 km/h. Bike feels extremely smooth and refined. Bike does not feel like a 125cc machine at all. Bike is super smooth, bike corners very well, superb handling and a great control. Brakes are brilliant, single channel ABS works flawlessly. Gearing is little bit shorter. It feels like you are riding a 150cc bike. It does not feel like you are riding a 125cc bike. You can watch the complete walk around of the bike by clicking the I button. Throttle response is excellent. 4-valve allows engine to breathe easily. Straight line stability is top class. This bike is so fun to ride. There is no hint of vibrations even at triple digits number like 110 km/h. Trellis frame provides super handling. The clutch feel is very much light and gear shifting is butter smooth. A wider 150 section tires offers a superb grip. 150 section tire is widest in the class in 125cc category. Refinement levels are excellent. It is a compact super sport machine. I think bike should return a mileage of close to 40 to 45 km/L. And the actual price of the bike is 1.47 lakhs. And special thanks to Khajrana KTM for allowing us to review the bike. You can contact Khajrana KTM if you stay nearby Indore.